Hi everyone. In this video, I wanted to teach you how to send me a message in Schoology if you have questions about anything with your art course. So if you miss a class and you're not sure what assignment you have due, or you're not sure where to find an assignment or how to do something, there are a couple different things that you can do for help, but one of the greatest ways to reach me is to send me a private message. So I'm going to show you guys where to find that and how to do that today. So if you look on my screen here, when you go into your Schoology, it's going to look the same. You do not have to go to courses or groups, anything on the left-hand side. You're actually going to go to the side that has your name. And if you look right next to it, there's a bell, and one more over there is a little blue envelope. And what you want to do is you want to click onto that envelope because those are your messages inside. You don't need to check an old message. You want to create a new message if you're writing me a message. So you're going to click on that blue link that says new message. And once you click it, it's going to load a message box. So you need to make sure that you are writing the name of the person that you want to send the message to. So since you're sending it to me, you could start by writing Stoneham. You don't have to write Miss. It's not going to go to me that way. Just my last name, Stoneham, S-T-O-N-E-H-A-M. And then you make sure you find the picture of me, okay, not somebody else, Kaylee Stoneham. My first name's Kaylee. And then you're going to click on that. In the subject, you could write whatever the topic is. I'm just going to write question, okay, because I have a question and that's what the message is about. And inside the message box, you can either write your question. Maybe it's, how do I post on Schoology? Okay, so I can either write that question out and then click send when I am ready to send it, or the other option is to actually leave a voice memo. So some of us, it takes a little longer for us to type, or we maybe don't have the time to do that if we're in a rush to do something else. So the last little icon here is an audio/video recording. So if you click onto that instead of typing, you can either record an audio message, which is just going to be your voice, or you can do an audio and video, which is going to show you and also share what you need to share. Okay, so if I click onto audio only, when I click start recording, I can start to say what I need to say. So, hi, Miss Stoneham. I was wondering where we are able to post our assignments in Schoology. And then I clicked stop when I was done with my message. You can play it and check it and make sure it is what you need it to be. And then when you like what it sounds like, you can click insert recording. Okay, and now I see right here there's an audio recording attached, so I can click send. Okay, it's up to you whether you write it, read it, or show me a video, but you click send when you are done. Okay, and the message will come directly to me. When that message is sent through, you see how now I see a little yellow 1 up here. That means I have a new message and I can go and check it. Okay, so I hope that this video is helpful, and remember, anytime during a video, if I've gone too fast, you can pause it, you can rewind it, you can go back and slow it down. Okay, so I hope to get a message from you soon. Have a great day, guys.